In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can mute somebody's story on Snapchat. So if you are wanting to mute someone's story on Snapchat, this is a really simple thing to do. So the first thing you will need to do is open up your Snapchat app. Once you open up Snapchat, you will be on your camera page here and you need to head over to your profile, and you can do this by clicking on your Bitmoji in the top left hand corner of your screen. Once you do that, as you can see, you'll be on your profile and then you need to scroll down until you find friends. So as you can see, you have add friends and my friends. So if you click on the my friends tab, it will bring you to a list of all your friends. So for me, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the three dots and click on recently added friends. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click and hold down on this person at the top. Once you click and hold down on it, you can now click on more. Once you click on more at the bottom of the screen, you will now have an option for mute story. So if you click on mute story, that will mean that that story is now muted. So if you just go back and check, it will now give you the option to unmute the story. So it's just simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I'll see you in the next one.